When you are solving multiplication equations where you are multiplying by 5, you can use skip counting to help you solve these equations. So to do this, you are going to think about counting up 5 more each time you're counting. So if you're starting at 0, you can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and keep continuing going up 5 each time. So if we are going to look at the equation 4 times 5, the second number in the equation is 5, so that means we are going to be skip counting or counting up by 5 each time. The first number is 4, which means we need to skip count 4 times or go up 4 groups of 5. Okay, so if we start at 0, we're going to count up 4 groups. So we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 is the 4th group of 5 that we've skip counted. So that means that 4 times 5 equals 20.